Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Today I tell you about application form of STI's jobs. Now I tell you about how to apply and how to fill application form of STI's jobs. Here you can see on the screen application form. Government of the Punjab School Education Department application form for school teacher internees STIs. Now you can see all detail of form. Number 1, diary number. Number 2, name of post applied. Number 3, name of tehsil. Name of village, neighborhood council. Number of village, neighborhood council. Date, name of district, name of markers. Here you can see passport size picture. EMS code, second, personal information. Personal information, CNIC number, applicant number, date of birth, religion, domicile of applicant, contact number, name of her husband, domicile of her husband, address as per domicile, mailing address, religion, Muslim, non-Muslim, material status, single, married. Here different personal information you will give. Academic qualification, name of degree certificate, matriculation, intermediate, graduation, BS, master, MPhil. Subjects, board, university, passing year, marks obtained, total marks, percentage, GPR, division, grade, marks, merit marks. Documentary proof, documents to be attached will the application form. CNIC copy of her husband, domicile copy, nikah copy, husband domicile, certificate, degree. Applicant declaration, I certify that the information in the application form is true and correct to the best of my knowledge of and belief. I understand that statement information data found to be false, incorrect shall disqualify me from the hiring process and would make me liable for criminal date, month and proceeding. Viewers, I think you understand all form. No, I will tell you how to fill it. First of all, you paste passport size picture, your passport size picture, paste here. You can see site. Here die number, you do not fill it. Name of post applied, you will fill. Name of tehsil, you will fill. Here you will add your name of post applied. Here you will write your post name. If you apply primary level, secondary level, higher level, you will put here. Name of tehsil, here you will put here your tehsil name. Miawali Sakhel Tehsil Pipla. One tehsil name and your tehsil name. Here you will write. Village of name of village council. Here you will write your village name. Number of village. Here you will number of village. No. Here you will write date. Name of your district. Here you will put. Name of Marcus. Here you will put. Next, EMS code. Here you will put the EMS code. Personal information. In the personal information, you will put JNIC number into the cells. Here you will write here your CNIC number and applicant name. Your name write here. Father name or husband name you will here write. Date of birth into the cells, day, month and years you will write here. Religion, you are Muslim or non-Muslim. Here tick here Muslim. Muslims candidate will be Muslim tick and non-Muslim will be non-Muslim. Material status, if you are single you put single. If you are married, here you will put married. Widow, you will put widow. Domicile of applicant, here you will Miawali, Jhelum, Gujranwala. Your district name you will write here. Contact number, your cell number put here. Name of her husband, you will write name of your husband if you are married. her name of her husband, district name. Your husband district name here put. If you are married, otherwise if you are single, you do not fill it. Domicile of her husband, CNIC of her husband. If you are single, you do not need fill it. Address as per domicile. Here you will add your domicile address. Mailing address. Here you will put your mailing address, academic qualification, name of degree certificate, matriculation subject. Here you will put matriculation subject, and next cell intermediate subjects, and third graduation subject of graduation, fourth master subject, 5 MPhil. Here cell of board and university. Here you will board of and university. Matriculation board, first cell, second cell, intermediate board, third cell, graduation board for MA, master board, passing year. Here you will put your passing year, matriculation, secondary, intermediate and master, all of detail. Obtain marks. Here you will put your obtain marks, matriculations, intermediate, graduation, master. Total marks. Here you will add your total marks, matriculation, intermediate, graduation. Here you will put percentage, your degrees percentage, matric, intermediate, graduation and masters. GPA. Here you will add GPA, division and grade. Here you will add your grade, division, matric, intermediate, graduation and master. Merit marks. Here you will add your total merit marks. Documentary proof. Documentary proof. Documents to be attached with the application form. Here CNIC copy. You will add your CNIC copy, domicile copy, nikah nama. That cell you will add your tick. CNIC copy of her husband. If you are married, you will add here your husband CNIC copy of her husband. If you are single, you do not need put here tick. Applicant declaration. You will verify that cell. Here I certify that the information in this application form is true and correct to the best of my knowledge and brief. I understand that statement information data found to be false, incorrect shall disqualify me from the hiring process and would make me liable liable for criminal proceeding. Here you will put your signature, date, month and years. No, you will understand. I think you will understand my all. No, I tell you about eligibility criteria for hiring of school teacher interns STIs phase 1. Here, eligibility criteria for STIs: age, qualification. Number 1 qualification, primary level, matriculation second division. Minimum qualification, it's mean you if you are master you can apply for primary level, because here minimum qualification in relevant field subjects, matriculation second division for fixed minimum qualification primary level. It's mean you if you are master, if you are graduate, if you are MPhil, if you are PhD, all qualification you can apply for primary level. No, I tell you about elementary level. For elementary level, minimum qualification in relevant field subjects. Minimum qualification requirement, intermediate second division. Intermediate second division for elementary school. STI jobs elementary school requirement, minimum qualification in relevant field subjects, intermediate second division. It's mean must your qualification for eligible elementary level, minimum qualification requirement is intermediate second division, but it do not mean you cannot apply for graduation or MA or PhD or MPhil. You can apply for elementary level if you are graduate, if you are master, if you are PhD, MPhil. You can apply. Only minimum qualification requirement is intermediate second division for elementary level. I think you understand my all communication. Now I tell you next step. Next step is secondary and higher secondary 2. Next step is secondary and higher secondary level STI jobs. Here, secondary and higher secondary STIs jobs requirement is BA, BSc, BS second division. Minimum qualification need for higher and secondary higher STIs jobs BA, BSc, BS second division. But it does not mean if you are MPhil, Master or PhD, you do not apply. Never. You can apply if you are Master, if you are MPhil, if you are PhD. You can apply. Limit minimum qualification is required for secondary and higher secondary STI jobs. Minimum qualification requirement BA, BSc, BS second division. I think you understand all my communication about eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria: candidates resident of same neighborhood, village, council, union council where school exists is are only eligible to apply for school teacher internees. Next, school council recruitment committee shall verify the residential status from the residential certificate issued by village panchayat neighborhood council. I think you understand all the details. No, I tell you about ranking criteria for STIs. No, I tell you about rank. Number 1, STIs primary level ranking criteria, academic qualification, secondary school certificate, matriculation. Important thing, marks. Ranking criteria here for primary level, marks 55 marks for certificate of matriculation. Important thing. What is important? Here important is for primary level, secondary school certificate, matriculation marks, you will obtain 55 marks. And intermediate for primary level STI jobs, higher secondary school certificate, intermediate certificate, you will obtain 15 marks. For intermediate, 15 marks. For level primary, graduation 2 years, 15 marks. For primary level, graduation second year, 15 marks. For primary level. I tell you about STI's primary level marks detail. No. Master degree 10 marks for primary level STI's jobs. And if BS honor 4-year degree holder program after intermediate, 25 marks, 15 plus 10. If you are intermediate and BA, you will 15 plus 10. If you are BS honor, you will join marks 25. I think you understand. Interview. No important thing here. Interview marks. Communication skills 1 marks. Interview marks is total 5 marks. No, divide interview marks. Communication skill 1 marks. Professional skills 2 marks. Subject knowledge 2 marks. Here interview marks divided 3 section. Number 1 communication skill, number 1 communication skill, number 2 your professional skill, number 3 subject knowledge. If you are master English, matric, if you are graduation computer science, here your number subject knowledge 2 marks. Total marks for interview 5. All marks, total join marks, degrees and interview is 100 marks for primary level STI's jobs. I think you understand STI's primary level eligibility criteria. No, I tell you about second STI's jobs. Second level is STI secondary and higher secondary level. Academic qualification degrees, secondary school certificate, marks 15 marks, and higher secondary school certificate, intermediate school certificate, you can 15 marks. For the STI secondary and higher secondary level, important your degree of graduation. Secondary level, your graduation degree is more important because you obtain 55 marks graduation degree. For secondary level, your graduation degree most important because you obtained you 55 marks. Master degree 10 marks. BS honor BA graduation degree, BS honor 65, and interview. Interview marks is all level 5 marks. Primary level 5 marks, secondary level 5 marks, higher secondary level 5 marks. Communication skill 1 marks, professional skill 2 marks, subject knowledge 2 marks. Total marks is 100. That is criteria for STIs secondary and higher secondary level. Number 3, terms and condition for secondary and higher secondary. Attendance and performance. The head teacher will maintain the separate attendance register for STIs and also update the attendance at SIS on daily basis. Number 2, the performance of STIs will be mentioned through COT ITSP. Who head teacher? The head teacher will maintain the separate attendance register. Payment. Payment of STIs secondary, primary, higher secondary, elementary, all detail here. The distributed take place strictly through bank account of selected candidates. Monthly salary, attendance rate. Number 1, payment will be per day. Higher secondary maximum 1200, 30,000 per month and per day 1200 for higher secondary. No, secondary level 1000 per day and per month 25,000. No, elementary level STI jobs per day 800, per month 20,000, maximum 20,000. Primary level 720 rupees per day and per month 18,000 for primary level STIs teachers. I think you understand all of the detail for STI jobs. Again, I repeat, secondary, higher secondary level payment per day 1200, per month 30,000, and secondary level payment per day 1000, per month 25,000, and elementary level per day 800, per month 20,000. Primary level 720 per day and 18,000 per month. Best of luck. Monthly STIs particular level, total number of days that month STIs performed his her duties. Tenure and internship, one academic session or till the arrival of regular contract appointee, whichever is earlier. In case a new vacancy or internee resigns or is not willing to join. Here important thing is one academic session or till the arrival of regular contract appointee, whichever is earlier. In case a new vacant or internee resign or is not willing to join, the next candidate in the merit list shall be given an opportunity to serve as internee for the remaining period of contract with the mentioned criteria. Term of internship. Placement shall be purely temporary and stop-gap arrangement, which can be terminated by the selection committee at any time due to unsatisfactory performance. Here important thing, placement shall be purely temporary and stop-gap arrangement which can be terminated by the selection committee at any time due to unsatisfactory performance. Viewers, I think you understand all of the details for STI's jobs first session. Next step, joining period. There are more most more and more important is joining period. The STIs will have to assure acceptance in internship letter to school within 7 days. Period of received letter is 7 days. After the issuance of internship letter, otherwise stand withdraw, cancelled. Level 2 Gaussian level per month within are entitled to STIs. No right of regular placement. Here, viewers, here important thing, more important, no right of regular placement. No, I tell you detail, no right of regular placement. Placement shall not confirm right of regular placement, nor shall such placement be regularized under any circumstances. The internees shall be entitled only one chance, and the contract should not be extended at any cost. I will repeat it. Placement shall be purely temporary and stop gap arrangement which can be terminated by the section committee at any time. Unsatisfactory performance and no right of regular placement. Placement shall not confer regular placement, nor shall such placement be regularized under any circumstances. The internees shall be entitled only one chance, and the contract should not be extended at any cost. 8th step, TADA. More important, no TADA is admissible to STIs. It's mean you cannot TADA. You cannot go TADA transfer. Step 9, that is more important, transfer. The placement shall be non-transferable and school specific only. Viewers, more attention, please attention. The placement shall be non-transferable and school specific only. I think you understand all thing is well good. No, I tell you about experience. Step 10. Experience certificate. An experience certificate will be awarded. An experience certificate will be awarded to the candidate after successful completion of his or internship period. There is more important experience certificate. You can got experience certificate after completion your period. Last, the placement through fake bogus documents. Viewers, if your document fake or bogus, if at any stage it is discovered that the placement on the basis of for box document are through decide by any means, the placement shall be considered void ab initio, and the candidate shall be liable to refund and amounts received from the government as a consequence of his her placement, in addition to such other action as may be taken against him her under the law. No, more important and last step. More important and last step. Applicant authority. Applicant authority is here. The appellate authority may review the school council decision as set out in the school council's policy, and the appellate authority's decision will be final. Here important thing, appellate authority decision is last decision. Number 1, school level. Higher secondary school level appellate authority is DEO for higher secondary school STIs jobs. For secondary school STI jobs, DEOSE. Who is authority? Important. DEOSE is for secondary school STI jobs. Authority is DEO and SE. For elementary school STI's attorney job authority, DEOEE concerned. For primary level appellate authority, AEO concerned. last decision will be final decision. DEO, EEO, SEEE. I think viewers, I think you must understand all things. If you are do not understand, you can comments you can comments. I will be answer you. Best of luck. God bless you. Thank you so much. I think you understand all communication about fill the form and all eligibility criteria, STI jobs, all detail of marks, how you are apply, how you are fill the form, understand all things. Best of luck. God